Are you tired of clutter taking over your home? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're exploring 12 genius home organization gadgets that will help you declutter, save space, and bring order to your home. From clever storage solutions to innovative designs, these must-haves will transform your living space in no time. And as usual, the links to all the items are in the description below. Stick around and let's get started. The JD Fresh Polypropylene Wardrobe Organizer is a durable and foldable solution designed to declutter your home effortlessly. Made from premium polypropylene, its robust, stackable design allows you to maximize space while offering smooth sliding for easy access. Perfect for organizing clothes in your wardrobe or storing fruits and vegetables in your kitchen, this versatile organizer adapts to your needs. It's compact yet spacious, providing ample room without taking up much space. With its tool-free assembly and collapsible design, it's both practical and portable, making organization a breeze. The Couch Console Original Tray is the ultimate solution for convenience and organization, whether you're working, playing, or relaxing. It starts with a self-balancing weighted cup holder, designed with a gyroscope system to keep your drinks steady, even on soft beds or uneven surfaces, ensuring no spills. Next to it, the snack module provides easy access to your favorite treats, while the spacious storage compartment helps you keep essentials like remotes, phones, or chargers within reach. Equipped with a USB-C port, it ensures your devices stay charged while you unwind. Its modular design lets you customize the layout to fit your needs. Crafted with light foam and recycled materials, it's built for durability and comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring you'll use it for years to come in your living room, RV, or even outdoors. The KDD DeskPad Organizer combines functionality and style with its superior control surface, offering a smooth glide for your mouse, perfect for work or gaming. Its non-slip rubber base ensures the pad stays securely in place during use. Thanks to the hook-and-loop Velcro design, you can easily customize and rearrange the layout of the accessories to suit your needs. With removable storage components, including a pen holder, cup holder, and tablet stand, this organizer provides two versatile ways to use it, as a traditional mouse pad or as a fully equipped desk organizer. The 6-in-1 design simplifies your workspace, giving you a clutter-free and efficient setup for maximum productivity. The One Easy Life 5-tier fruit and vegetable basket is perfect for any space, including kitchens, bathrooms, living rooms, and laundry rooms. It features two ways to assemble the foot, with wheels for mobility or foot pads for stability. The removable tray keeps your floor dry and clean, while the breathable checkered design ensures proper airflow. Its tight connections and stable, sturdy structure provide durability. The stackable basket design adapts to your needs, offering flexible storage for any occasion. The Dnbss Foldable Shoe Rack is the ultimate solution for organized living. Its 8-tier design holds up to 16 pairs of shoes, including sneakers, flats, and heels, and also doubles as storage for books, toys, cosmetics, and more. Featuring a 3-minute quick installation, the one-piece folding design saves time and effort, while its durable PP Plus pipette material ensures sturdiness and is free from odors. The thickened support frame offers excellent weight-bearing capacity, making it reliable for various storage needs. Its transparent magnetic doors allow easy retrieval while keeping items protected from dust and water. Perfect for use in your wardrobe, bedroom, living room, garage, or loft, this versatile rack combines style and functionality. Upgrade your space with this practical, easy-to-use storage solution today. The Gialto Plastic Cupboard offers versatile storage with folding storage bins that are easy to install and adapt to your needs. Featuring stackable storage bins, their groove design on the bottom ensures a tight, secure fit when stacked. The vertical striped panels are easy to clean, while the sturdy storage bins provide durability. Its double doors design offers two ways to open, and built-in wheels make it easy to move. Perfect as a bedroom closet organizer, book organizer, or for organizing your car, kitchen, or bathroom, it's a compact and efficient solution. With its stylish yet functional design, it blends seamlessly into any space. Are you still living with your books scattered around your room? Let the Uber Tree bookshelf help you decorate your space while storing your books. Made from high-quality materials, this bookshelf is strong and durable, providing long-lasting use. Its non-slip design ensures stability, keeping it secure in place. The bookshelf is easy to clean, with a flat and waterproof surface for hassle-free maintenance. For added safety, the anti-tipping furniture strap secures the unit to the wall, making it safe for homes with children or pets. Its modern design adds a touch of elegance to any room. Perfect for your office, living room, or bedroom, it blends functionality with style. Maximize your storage potential with this sleek, space-saving bookshelf. Experience the magic of the GreenForest folding desk. No assembly required. Simply unfold and use for an instant workspace. The curved edge of the top ensures safety by preventing injuries, while the foldable design allows for easy storage. Just fold it up when not in use. Perfect for small spaces, this desk offers both functionality and convenience, making it an ideal choice for any home office or study area. Enjoy the simplicity and elegance in every fold, providing a practical, space-saving solution with no hassle. Indulge in luxury with the full bed frame with folding bench. Its velvet upholstered material provides exceptional back support, ensuring maximum comfort while adding a touch of elegance to your bedroom. The two-tier storage headboard features 2 AC outlets, USB ports, and a Type-C connection, keeping your devices powered and within reach. With an 11-inch underbed height, it offers ample space for storage boxes, keeping your room organized. The durable metal frame ensures stability and strength, supporting up to 1,000 pounds. Designed with ease in mind, its non-Velcro design allows for quick assembly, while the stronger structure guarantees a noise-free sleep environment. Elevate your bedroom ambiance with the RGB LED light, customizable via an app or remote control to match your mood and style effortlessly. Transform your bedroom with the modern Dnbss bedside table, designed for both style and functionality. Equipped with a light button switch and induction switch, it features a desktop where your mobile phone can be wirelessly charged. The table includes 2 large drawers with 1 shelf, offering ample storage space for all your essentials. Its matte finish provides a textured, elegant look, while the 24-color LED lights with adjustable brightness allow you to customize the ambiance by simply touching the color ring. Activate the induction system for lights to automatically turn on-off within 2 meters. Durable and versatile, it complements any modern room decor. Use it as a sofa-side table to keep necessities within reach. The Liencia Double Rods Garment Rack with wheels is a stylish and functional storage solution. Featuring a high-low rod design, it provides ample space for hanging clothes, shirts, pants, and skirts. The bottom shelf is ideal for storing shoes or storage boxes. 4 hooks offer space for hats, scarves, and bags. With 360-degree rotating wheels, it's easy to move and lock in place. Perfect for bedrooms, laundry rooms, or entryways. Easy to assemble. Durable and space-saving design. Maximize your space with the Yakai Underbed Storage Organizer, designed for convenience and efficiency. Its wheeled design allows for effortless mobility, while the PU handles on both sides ensure easy handling. Crafted with sturdy and durable materials, it offers a robust frame and can hold up to 66 pounds, making it perfect for storing clothes, shoes, toys, and more. With great capacity, it keeps your items neatly organized. The included label cards provide easy identification, ensuring quick access to your belongings. A clear window panel lets you see the contents at a glance. It's foldable for compact storage when not in use, making it the best underbed storage option for optimizing your living space. That's it for our 12 home organization gadgets. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great finds. Let us know your favorite gadget in the comments, and check out the product links in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.